Welcome to ProfitsBeat. Our team provides you with back-tested indicators that have a track record of real earnings. Plus, we'll guide you through trading basics to build a solid foundation. Don't miss out on our daily updates. Hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon to stay informed and empowered on your trading journey. Have you ever wished for a trading strategy that could potentially earn you money ranging from 10 to millions? Today, we're going to unveil a game-changing trading strategy that can revolutionize your trading game, offering the possibility of daily profits. This strategy employs 3 key indicators to make precise trading decisions. Let's dive into the details of this strategy, which has proven successful for many traders, including myself. We are going to use 3 main indicators in this strategy. Let us start by adding our first indicator. Our first indicator is the dynamic levels breakouts. To add this indicator to your chart, go to the indicator section and search for the dynamic levels breakouts. Add the indicator to your chart. Modify the settings, change the period to 14 and uncheck the signals. Save the settings. The dynamic levels breakouts indicator gives us the exact buy and sell signals but sometimes gives fake signals. To avoid that, we will be adding second indicator. It will serve as one of our decision-making tools in this strategy. We will add our second indicator to our chart, which is very important in our strategy. The second critical indicator for our strategy is the supertrend zone. Go to the indicator section and find the supertrend zone indicator. Add it to your favorites and add it to your chart. This indicator assesses market based on its trend, generating trend lines based on the market trend. It plays a vital role in our strategy by providing valuable insights into price movements. Along with these 2 indicators, we need one more indicator in our strategy to be more confident. So the final indicator in our arsenal is the QQE mod indicator. To incorporate it into your trading chart, access the indicator section and search for QQE mod. Add it to the favorites and add it to the chart. The QQE mod indicator assists in filtering out false signals, improving the accuracy of our trading decisions. Now, let's discuss the rules for buying and selling using this strategy. First, let us see the rules for buying. We need to wait for a buy signal to generate from the dynamic indicator. After the signal got generated, check the supertrend zone indicator. Confirm that the trend line is blue. Examine the QQE mod indicator. Ensure it is also green. If all conditions are met, take the trade. Set a stop loss. If the supertrend zone trend line turns red or the QQE mod indicator goes red, exit the trade to minimize potential losses. See, we made some huge profits by following this strategy. We have waited for the buy signal to be generated, then we have seen that both the other 2 indicators were green and have taken the trade and made huge profits. Similarly for the sell trade. Wait for a sell signal to generate. Check the dynamic indicator. Confirm that the trend line is red. Examine the QQE mod indicator. Ensure it is also red. If all conditions align, take the sell position. Set a stop loss. Exit the trade if the supertrend zone trend line turns blue or the QQE mod indicator goes green. You need to avoid the fake signals generated by the indicator after taking the trade. See, we made a lot of profit from these trades by following the same rules. Remember to subscribe, like, and join our Telegram channel for detailed documentation and updates. This trading strategy has been proven effective, allowing traders to capture profits consistently. However, before implementing it in live trading, practice and familiarize yourself with the indicators. Patience and discipline are crucial for success in the trading game. Follow stop-loss rules diligently to manage risk effectively. That's it for now. Happy trading, and may you achieve profitable results with this game-changing strategy.